Hi everybody, my name is Jason McInerney. I am a founding partner and the Chief Technology Officer for Adverttu. I'd like to take a few minutes today to discuss with you some of the technology behind our out-of-home service and reveal to you some of what's going on under the hood. Our technology is rooted deeply in artificial intelligence, AI, and is broken down into roughly 3 different phases. The first phase has been going on for about a year now in the UK. It accumulates data from many different sources, including municipality cameras, map and geographical data, multiple levels of demographic data, historical traffic data, information about our drivers and their vehicles, and much finer levels of detail such as the length and width of road segments and how they're paved. We accumulate all this data and put it together into a highly accurate formula that can compute impressions per second as a vehicle drives through these areas. And one of the nice things about our particular formula is that it doesn't rely on any one piece of data, meaning if some of it's missing for a particular region, we can still compute with very good accuracy what the impressions are. This also means that we can simulate campaigns before you actually put cars on the road. You can pick and choose what type of car in various areas. But it also means that we can expand into regions that lack some of this data very quickly. We have released a research platform recently that enables us to put people on the ground and collect all kinds of different data, as well as census data, and match it to the models that we can build now from the data we've collected in the UK. So this brings us deeper into machine learning, whereas the first phase is mostly data science. We can now build probabilistic and statistical models around impressions that are informed and validated by our research platform and the work done by our researchers. In parallel, we can combine those models with computer vision and deep learning techniques that can recognize people as we drive by them using dashboard cameras, cell phones, and getting feedback as well from pedestrians and from drivers. This is quite similar to the facial recognition technology that everyone's used to and has heard about. However, because we don't need to actually recognize people or identify anybody, we don't have to spend the time comparing facial features against a database. This means that this level of object detection is very fast, and we can compute it as the driver passes through. This data can be used to further inform our statistical models or probabilistic models and build deep learning models that can perform inference around new regions and can do things very, very quickly in a fleet of data, in a fleet of vehicles, for example. So we're looking for more partnerships around those realms, and we're very excited about being able to expand to different regions very quickly using this data. This also means that we can do interesting things very quickly, such as gamification. We can perhaps bring pop-up campaigns that push people towards a certain region on a driver's commute if we know that people are going to be there or that the driver's going to be there. Perhaps offering an incentive if they can snap a pic of the car as it drives by. We can also look ahead to particular events that are going to happen along a driver's commute and have special campaigns around those events as well. So there's a whole lot of possibilities, very cool technology. I'm very excited to be building this stuff. I'm very happy to be with a fantastic team. I look forward to all your support and hopefully see you soon. Thanks.